Welcome to Junkyard Haunts, where we turn trash into haunts. Today we're going to be making realistic looking vines. I made some vines in the past, I'll put a link up for that. But this time we're going to make it look much different. So I figured it worthy its own video, because it's so much different than the other one. This is also going to be the shortest video I have ever made, because it's actually really simple. You just cut a burlap strip about 3 inches wide or so, and then as long as you want to make the actual vine. And then we take some caulking, some invisible caulking I used from another project around my house, and then we're going to take some mulch, and you just spray the invisible caulking onto the burlap, covering it all up, and then spreading that mulch across so that the mulch will actually stick and glue onto the burlap. And of course I ran out, so I had to use a brand new one instead. So it's not exactly trash, but it still works. Make sure you use gloves during this, because you do not want this stuff in your hands. After you cover up the one side with all the bark, on the back you'll just use some more caulking and fill it in, and then actually wrap the burlap around itself using that almost like a glue, or exactly like a glue, not almost. And you just crunch that down and make it tight and firm so that it becomes a nice round vine shape. And when you're going through just doing the touch-ups on it, you just, any spot that looks like it doesn't have a little burp or enough of the mulch, go ahead and just squirt some more of the caulking onto there, and then squeeze more mulch on. And then you just, leave it out to dry. And these will be realistic vines, nice and short. Thanks for watching that video. Make sure you hit subscribe. I use another YouTuber's music for the background music. His link is in the description, so go check him out if you want to hear just the music. But if you want to just hear my voice talking over that music, that's fine too. You can just watch my videos all day long. So I made vines in the past. They ended up looking kind of cartoonish. So I wanted to correct that and make them look way more realistic. Huh? What do you think? They look pretty realistic now, huh? I do like that other way, so if you wanted to check out that video, do go check that out. All I really needed to do for it is just pick better paints, and it would have turned out better. This one kind of sheds, all that bark comes off over time, and where the other one will stay more solid and secure. So now you have two options to do vines. So I actually made this out of some old caulking, and man, the fumes that gave off were really bad. So either get new caulking when you make yours, or make sure you have lots of air going in and out of where you're doing it, because man, that was not good.